Stripo's integration with HubSpot is an easy way to export your created templates to this customer platform, making it a breeze to manage and run email campaigns. In this video, we'll show you the entire setup process for this integration. Before connecting the Stripo extension to your HubSpot account, make sure your HubSpot plan is at the professional or enterprise level. Additionally, you must have a basic, medium, or pro account at Stripo for the integration to work. Go to the HubSpot Marketplace and enter Stripo in the search field to find our extension. Once found, click Install to go to our HubSpot integration page. To connect Stripo to your HubSpot account, log in to your existing Stripo account and navigate to Settings, Workspace, Integrations. Find the HubSpot integration via the search field and click on it. Enter your HubSpot account name and confirm all the steps until the permissions page. In order for our extension to work flawlessly with your HubSpot account, it requires permissions to interact with content like websites, landing pages, campaigns, and more. Additionally, HubSpot requires permission to view properties about the installing account, including the primary domain and user emails. Once you click on the agreement box, your permissions are set, and you can complete the integration setup process. To ensure everything works flawlessly and the HubSpot integration is set up correctly, you need to export your template from Stripo to HubSpot. Click on the Export option in the editor, select your HubSpot integration, and click on it. If everything is connected correctly, you'll see a pop-up confirming the successful template export. To view your exported email in HubSpot, hover over the Marketing section and click on the Email option. You'll see all your emails, and the one you exported from Stripo will be the first on the list. When exporting your templates to HubSpot, you may encounter minor issues. If this happens, you'll see a pop-up indicating that the export has failed, and you'll need to fix your template before exporting it again. To fix this, you need to include all the required merge tags in any template you want to export to HubSpot. The easiest way to do this is to enable the Include Required Merge Tags option before exporting your templates. Additionally, you can manually add these tags, which you can find in our dedicated article linked in the description. Simply paste the tags into a dedicated text block, make the unsubscribe word a link, and add the dedicated tag as the destination. Once that's done, you can export your templates without any issues. If you still experience HubSpot export issues, feel free to contact our support team using online chat within your account. Besides that, you can message us using our support email that you can find on the dedicated Contact Us page. Subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell for more great email marketing content.